Now we're going to continue with problem number 2. Remember we looked at putting together a production budget. So here's our production budget and the number of units that we need to produce each month in order to meet our sales forecast. So that's going to be the first step of coming up with our direct labor budget. So we're going to have our production budget, and it's just going to be the same as what we just calculated previously. Then we need to figure out how many hours we spend making each unit. So up here we can read that it's an hour, 0.25 hours of assembly time for each unit at a cost of $10.50 per hour. So here we're going to put in 1.25 hours per unit, or sorry, it should be hours per unit, and it's going to be 1.25. So we're going to translate that into total hours needed to produce those units. So it's a 1.25 hours times the number of units that we're going to produce for the month. So we're going to have 85,375 hours for January. And we saw here that our rate is $10.50 per hour. So it's $10.50 per hour, giving us our total direct labor budget of $10.50 times my hours needed. So it's going to be almost $900,000. So we're looking at a budget of $896,438 for January, $848,466 for February, and $884,822 for March. And for the entire quarter, it would be $2.6 million. Okay, and that's how we put together a direct labor budget.